Here's the Land Cruiser, the back side of it. Shows the third row seats, second row, and then all the way through. DVD player, it looks like, up on the top. Very nice and clean. No dents or dings. Seats are very nice in it. It's the driver's side. Here's the back seat. Got some WeatherTech mats in it, or some kind of weather garden mats. Some controls back here for passengers in the back, and vents back here. Tires are good. It's got one of those Invisaligners, I don't know if it's showing up on here, but like a plastic coating to prevent rock chips. Walk over here. All the way around. Oops. That will shut the back hatch. So you look at it too.